Guys, so in this video I'll show you how to add custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your YouTube. Then you have to go to your library. In your library, you have to go to your option of your videos. Just at the top right corner of your video, you can see the option of three dots. You have to click on these, and here you can see that the third option is of edit. You just have to click on edit, and after that you can edit a lot of things about your video. And now if you want to edit the thumbnail, you just have to click on the thumbnail, and here you can see the option of add photo. You just have to click on this. Here YouTube will suggest you some of the thumbnails, and you can also custom the thumbnail by clicking on custom thumbnail. It will open up your library and you can select any of the thumbnail. For example, I am selecting this, and after that you just have to click on done, and then you have to click on save. Now as you guys can see that the thumbnail of my video has been changed. Okay, so guys, there is another way to add custom thumbnail to your YouTube video, which is that you have to open up your YT Studio. Then you have to go to your content, and here you can see your video. You just have to click on the three dots at your video, and you have to click on edit video. And there is the same way, if you want to edit your thumbnail, you just have to click on the edit option at the thumbnail, and here you can select any of the thumbnail according to your preference. If you want to add a custom thumbnail, you have to click on change, and it will open up your library. You can add any of the thumbnail according to your preference, and after that you just have to click on done, and then you have to click on save, and hence your thumbnail will be changed. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.